Hello friends, welcome to the National Leagues. I am the HBK. Brandon Wayne Brand is an American whistleblower from 2006 to 2011. He was a camera operator of unarmed drones of United States Air Force. His job was dropping bombs targeted killing. In December 2012, a German magazine reported about Brand, his former work and his post-traumatic stress disorder. Brand was one of the main sensor operators. Brand chose to leave the military in 2011. Now he is a part of the movement that aims to provide accountability and transparency and other government around the world. A former US drone operator turned whistleblower who claimed his Air Force bosses told him it's just a dog when he killed a child in Afghanistan, has described US military as worse than Nazi, tells how he dropped a Hellfire missile on a child in Afghanistan but his superior claimed it was just a dog of Afghanistan. Brandon made 13 kills while operating drones from a base in Las Vegas. He says his squadron hits 1,626 targets over 6 years as US Air Force operator. The 34-year-old quit the Air Force to become a whistleblower and testify to the UN. Brand described US military as worse than Nazis when he accidentally killed a child and his bosses claimed he killed a dog. He knew he could not keep going and quit the military to speak out against the US drone program. Brand controlled multiple camera systems and was responsible for training the deadly weapons on their target while pilot directed navigation. Brand suffered post-traumatic stress disorder after his time aiming the Hellfire missile at people on the other side of the world. Brand was haunted by his time as a remote killer on mission over Afghanistan and Iraq that claimed more than 1,600 lives, including women and children. He signed up to the Air Force when he was 19-year-old and made his first kill in 2007. He told how when he registered this first kill, his colleagues celebrated by shouting "Splash," while another said Brand popped the cherry. But the horror of bombing still lives with him. All the bloodshed still lives with him. That image on screen is still in my head whenever I think about it. It still hurts me. When I pulled the trigger, I knew that it was wrong. When a missile struck, I knew in my soul I had become murderer, says Brand. An image analyst who watched the drone video feed at the time of the strike, known as a screener, initially tried to tell him it was a dog, but a colleague sitting next to him agreed it was a child. After reviewing the tape of the incident, Brand went to his boss, but his boss told it's just a dog, just drop it. After the horrors of him time as a drone operator, Brand has spoken out against the US military use of program, testifying before the United Nations about America overseas drone operators. Drone operator Brand and his colleague Michael Haas were shown as example of how the CIA recruits the video gamers and trains them to kill by remote control. Then a sergeant told the new recruits, your job is to kill people and break things, and tried to make it sound cool. When he tried to get out of it, his commander said, do your fucking job. Since being such an outspoken critic of the United Drone Program, Brand says his family have been threatened. During his testimony in Germany, Brand went on to describe the integral role the US military base in US Ramstein Air Base plays in the American drone program. Friends, this way, America wanted to form the democracy, peace and stability in Afghanistan by killing innocent children and women. What do you think? Comment in the box. For more updates, subscribe our channel International Leagues. Thanks for watching.